Guys, it's time for a new update on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you we are not only going to talk about the Bitcoin price today, no, I also prepared a very interesting chart analysis for Ethereum and also for Chainlink because I'm about to open a new Ethereum trade. So if you don't want to miss out on that, stick around till the very end of the video, and for sure I will give you a massive update on Chainlink as well because I'm still in around $1 million of long positions for Chainlink here on Femex, so that's why I will for sure also give you a big update on this trade and what I'm going to do with that one in the near future. Besides that, guys, you can already see it here in the background. Can you remember the group that I told you to join yesterday, guys? It's completely exploding. The group already has 28,000 members. The project is completely going viral without any information of it being out yet, so I can promise you, don't miss on this. 28,000 people already. We have a 60-second slow mode in this chat. People can only write every 60 seconds and still look what is happening here in this chat. There is pretty much not a single moment where nobody is typing here. There's constant hype going on. It's completely crazy. So join these Telegram groups. They're again at the very top of the description. We also just announced the supported chains for this project. As you guys can see, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Matic, Polygon. There is a lot of more coming, and they are going to be announced very soon. So like I said, join the alerts channel, join the group where all the people are in. It's crazy what is happening here. So like I said, links in the description. But now let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. And as always, guys, please make sure to smash up a like on the video. Let's reach 3,000 likes like we normally do on every single video of mine. And for sure, also leave a comment down below if you enjoy the content. Subscribe to the channel, activate the bell, share the video with your friends. This supports me the most. And now we talk about the Bitcoin price first. So far we haven't really seen any crazy price movement. The weekly candles, I mean, we are still waiting for the weekly candle closes like I already mentioned in my yesterday's video. If we go to the smaller time frames, on the daily time frame also not really anything has changed. I already told you yesterday that I'm expecting that the Bitcoin price may fall all the way down here to the $58,000 level to retest this falling wedge and also to bounce off the daily EMA ribbons. This is actually going to plan at the moment because also if we look at the 4-hourly candles after I uploaded my videos today telling the people that we are definitely closing this 4-hourly candle below our uptrend channel, it's very clear that now the Bitcoin price is continuing here to drop to the downside, and we really have to expect that the Bitcoin price may reach a price level of $58,000 like I also already showed you on the daily time frame. But I don't want to talk about the Bitcoin chart all too much today because there's not that much interesting stuff happening actually. I mean, look at the chat, guys. It's completely going crazy. If you haven't joined, like I said, make sure you don't miss out on this. It will be insane. We are giving out tokens for our community for free. As you know, Chris and I, Chris from Crypto, we are involved in this project pretty big time, and we organized that everyone out of our communities are going to get tokens completely for free for this project, and this project then also will allow people to take part in the very early stages of new projects. And I can already tell you, we are talking about top tier projects. Just imagine you could have been a part of Axie Infinity or Decentraland before they even were listed on an exchange. Please, guys, keep in mind what these possibilities are that will open up through this project. Just join the links in the description. You really don't want to miss out. Just join it. If a single person after now 2 weeks or something when we launched tells us I missed out on it, well, I don't know what I'm going to do. So please just join the groups. But whatever. Let's not talk about Ethereum because Ethereum is right now in a massive rising broadening wedge, and I also wanted to tell you about my new trade on Ethereum that I'm going to open very soon. And as we know, Ethereum is now already at a new all-time high. We are actually retesting the old all-time high at the moment, but as you guys know, Ethereum is often the leading indicator in Bitcoin consolidations. Every time when Bitcoin consolidates, we are most of the time actually seeing Ethereum making the first move either to the downside or to the upside, and Bitcoin following it with a small 2, 3, 4 days delay. So now already we are seeing Ethereum pumping to the upside, and we have only pretty much 1 day left now till the weekly candle actually closes. As you guys can see, tomorrow evening the weekly candle will close, and the interesting thing will be what is the Ethereum price going to do till tomorrow. And I assume that we will see during today or tomorrow latest a retest of our upward sloping support here. And if we bounce off that, with the tomorrow's daily candle, I will actually enter a new Ethereum long trade, because the worst case scenario, in my opinion, is that we break the support to the downside, we correct inside of the daily EMA ribbons, and then continue to the upside. The worst case for sure is Bitcoin breaks to the downside. We see this massive 30-40% correction within 1 week. For sure, Ethereum will then correct massively to the downside as well. I will try to use a very low leverage on this Ethereum long trade, maybe only a 3 to 5x. So in the worst case, I can double my position right in front of the liquidation price, so that then the position definitely never gets closed and I have a perfect entry price when we just see this massive quick wick to the downside, right? This is pretty much the worst case potential. This is also the worst case for Bitcoin. I already showed you in yesterday's video. I don't want to show you this again. I mean, the worst case pretty much is that this massive volatile move that we have to expect now after this 3-week insane consolidation with pretty much no price movement at all, we have to expect that the Bitcoin price probably will correct all the way down here to the $50,000 level if we continue here with the downwards movement till the end of the week and also in the beginning of the next week. So for sure, we also have to prepare that then Ethereum gets pulled down a lot. But like I said, this is pretty much the worst case scenario in my opinion. Probably Bitcoin will just maximum go down to like $58,000 or something, and then we will bounce in the daily EMA ribbons. We will bounce off 4-hourly support. We will bounce off this falling wedge here on the daily time frame, and Bitcoin will reverse then within the next few hours pretty much. So within pretty much the next 36 hours till tomorrow evening, we will reverse and then see this massive price run to the upside, which then I want to really catch with an Ethereum long position as well. But now let's talk also about Chainlink. I mean, Chainlink still forming here this W pattern on the smaller time frames. Not that much interesting things are happening. I mean, Chainlink is right now in a massive daily uptrend channel, and for sure, Chainlink depends a lot on what Bitcoin does. But as long as Bitcoin still consolidates or maybe even starts pumping to the upside, I see a big potential for Chainlink here bouncing and breaking out of this upwards sloping support channel actually to the upside, and this would for sure mean that on the weekly time frame we are finally breaking the very important $34 level for Chainlink. We will close a weekly candle, the next weekly candle, not this one but the next weekly candle above that, and after that we pretty much have to expect a new all-time high latest till the end of the year for Chainlink, if not way earlier, depending on what Bitcoin does for sure as well. And that's why I'm also holding this long position open. My liquidation price is at $25, so it is actually quite far away from the actual price at the moment. Looking at the weekly time frame, for sure it doesn't look that far away, but if we look at the daily time frame, you can already see that I'm for sure the liquidation price for sure is far below the upward sloping support line here, the lower one of our uptrend channel. Either way, guys, I will upload now this video as soon as possible. Please make sure to join the Telegram groups. Like I said, it's crazy what is going on there. We already had to put in a 60-second slow mode so that the chat doesn't explode too much and people can actually talk about things, but still the chat is just going nuts, because I mean, just during this video, guys, while I was recording this video, 100 new people joined. It's completely going viral. So please, guys, make sure to join this channel. Don't miss out on anything. Also join the alerts channel. Like I said, you will get alerts about the project. We will now within the next few days mention more and more what the project is about. Soon the website will come online, and so on and so on. So like I said, just stay updated by joining the alerts channel and joining also here this crazy group where you can discuss with other people what is happening in the crypto markets, but especially what you think this project is going to be. But we are going to see us in the next one. Till then, bye.